Everyone, this is Valerie here again. Now you are looking at my second batch of homemade apple cider vinegar. No, this one's not finished yet. I'm just getting it all set up. But my first batch that I did, I actually used fresh apples from just outside my kitchen window here, from our apple tree. But this batch that I'm doing is I'm actually doing from apples that I stored in my refrigerator from last summer, because our apple tree bears every other year. Okay, so these are not fresh apples, they're apples that were frozen. However, I'm giving it a try, and I hope you follow along for updates to see how it's doing. Now, I'll just give you a quick run through of what I did here. I found a recipe on the internet and I pinned it, and that's a recipe that I actually used for the first batch, and that's the recipe I'm using for the second batch because it worked lovely for me. I didn't have any mold, and so I've decided to use the same recipe. Now what I did was I half each of my jars with apples, and then I measured the water that I was putting in. In each one of these, I have 11 cups of water. And to each cup of water, you need to add 1 tablespoon of organic cane sugar. So I added 12 tablespoons of organic cane sugar to each of my jars. Also, what I did was to use the Scooby that I got from my first set of apple cider vinegar. If you look carefully, you'll see that white jelly thing there. That's the Scooby that I got from my first set of apple cider vinegar. I read where you could use it to help get your second batch started, so I put it in. Okay, so that's it for my apple cider vinegar. Then I cover it. You need to cover with something that's breathable, okay, not the cap that comes with the bottle. So I've covered, I've doubled, tripled, quadrupled fold the netting, and I've used it on the tops of the jar. Now the only thing that's left to do is to put these in a dark space, and my dark space is gonna be under my stairs, my understairs storage in my dining room. Okay, so I hope you follow along to see how my second batch of apple cider vinegar is doing. Okay, so until next time, you take care. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please hit that bell button so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks again so much for your support. It means a lot, and you have a great day. Peace.